What's up everybody, Bubba D's here, and I know everybody's been going through some crazy things in their life due to this COVID-19 stuff, and I want to bring some pleasure, some smiles, and some enjoyment. So I'm going to be giving away something, and I'm going to tell you all about it in just a couple of minutes. Stay tuned. Roll the intro. This is what we're going to be giving away, this lovely UFO shaped device, really lightweight, simple to use. If you have a multi-pot, if you have an Instapot, and if you have any other brand pressure cooker, this goes right on top and it actually acts as an air fryer. I've done videos around making some fun things like pizzas in them, French fries, chicken wings. This thing is phenomenal. And I cannot express how happy I am that Mealthy has selected me to partner with so that I can actually give away one of these to a lucky Canadian resident. So to give you some cool details about this amazing giveaway, this Mealthy CrispLid is basically a lid for your pressure cooker that turns it into an air fryer. It crisps, it boils, it fits pretty much on a 6-quart and on an 8-quart device, whether it's a Mealthy device or it's another competitor. Comes with a basket, a trivet, a silicone mat, and tongs so that you can actually remove the items without getting burned. I've been using this for some time now. It's an amazing product. It's more than reasonable and affordable for those who do not win. You can definitely check it out. So check it out. And once again, the link is at the bottom and I can't wait to award the winner. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. You can go to mealthy.com and you can check out any one of their products and you can save $10 if you are not a Canadian resident and you can't enter to actually win this Mealthy CrispLid.